Imagine an internet where no single company controls your data, where your money, your identity, and even your social life are fully in your control. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's happening right now. Welcome to the world of decentralized applications, or dApps. In this video, we're going to uncover how they work, why they are the future, and show you examples you can see in action today. You will see things you never thought possible. By the end of this video, you will understand why the internet is about to change forever. Decentralized apps equal internet freedom. Watch till the end. It will change the way you see the internet forever. The future of money, art, games, and even governance is being built here, and it is happening faster than most people realize. Let's start simple. A decentralized application is like your favorite app, but without a central server controlling everything. Instead, it runs on a blockchain. That means no single person, no company, and no government can shut it down or tell you what to do. Think of it this way. Traditional apps are like restaurants you have to go to if you want to eat. You have to follow their rules, pay their prices, and accept whatever they serve. dApps are like a self-sustaining farm that anyone can use, anyone can improve, and no one can lock the gate. You can harvest, plant, or trade freely. You have total control. You are not at the mercy of anyone. Your digital life belongs to you. Crypto wallets like MetaMask let you interact with these dApps directly. NFT marketplaces like OpenSea let you own digital art in a way that no company can take away from you. Decentralized finance apps like Aave or Uniswap let you lend, borrow, and trade money without a bank in the middle, and that's just the beginning. If this concept blows your mind, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of the internet. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Once you understand dApps, everything you thought you knew about the internet changes. Now, how do these dApps actually work? The magic behind them is something called smart contracts. Smart contracts are like computer programs that run exactly as written. No human can change them, no middleman is required, and the rules are enforced automatically. Imagine you want to lend money to someone. Traditionally, a bank handles this, decides if you are trustworthy, charges fees, and can even block the transaction. With a dApp like Aave, the smart contract ensures the money is lent, interest is paid, and everything is transparent. No bank, no fees, no trust issues. It's automatic, fair, and verifiable by anyone. Think of smart contracts like vending machines. You put in the rules, you get the outcome every single time without question. You don't have to rely on anyone else. Smart contracts are used in lending crypto through apps like Aave or Compound. They are used in creating NFTs through OpenSea or Rarible. They are used in games like Axie Infinity, where players truly own their in-game assets. They are used in voting systems and DAOs, where decisions are fully transparent and cannot be manipulated. The possibilities are endless, and these systems are already being used in ways that affect millions of people worldwide. Let's break it down even further. Imagine a world where your social media account, your money, your art collection, and even your gaming achievements are all owned by you, not a company. No one can ban you, delete your content, or freeze your account. That's the power of dApps. This isn't a dream. People are living it today. Uniswap is a DeFi trading platform where you can swap crypto directly with other users. There's no exchange taking your fees. You interact with a smart contract, and the trade happens instantly. Axie Infinity is a play-to-earn game where your in-game assets are real, owned by you, and can be sold or used outside the game. OpenSea is a marketplace for NFTs, where artists and collectors trade digital art without middlemen. Brave Browser lets you earn cryptocurrency simply by browsing the web while protecting your privacy. These are not futuristic experiments. They are happening today, and people are making real money, playing real games, and controlling their own data. Comment below which of these dApps you would actually use today. I want to see your picks. Your digital freedom starts here. Why are dApps considered the future? Because they are more than just apps. They are a revolution in control, security, and transparency. With dApps, you own your data. You earn rewards directly without paying unnecessary fees. No single company can censor you. You are in charge. Picture centralized systems like giant towers controlled by a few corporations. Now imagine a decentralized world with networks spreading across the globe, cities connected by digital highways, and people interacting freely without permission. That is the future we are heading towards. The adoption of dApps is growing every year. Millions of users are joining, and the technology is improving fast. Smash that subscribe button now, because we are just scratching the surface of this revolution. And the more people understand this, the faster this change will reshape the internet. Let me show you exactly how to start using a dApp today. You only need 3 things. First, a crypto wallet like MetaMask. Second, some cryptocurrency. And third, a dApp to interact with. Let's walk through an example using Uniswap. You connect your wallet. You select the currency you want to swap, like ETH for USDC. You check the rates. You confirm the transaction. You wait a few seconds, and it is done. Your money is swapped without a bank, without middlemen, and fully under your control. You can repeat this for lending, borrowing, buying NFTs, or even earning rewards in games. The steps are simple, but the power is enormous. Visual guides and tutorials make it even easier for anyone to start. And once you understand one dApp, you can start exploring dozens more. Each one opens up new ways to trade, earn, and own your digital life. Of course, nothing is perfect. dApps are powerful, but risky. Bugs in smart contracts can cause unexpected losses. Losing your private keys means losing your funds forever. Scams and fake projects exist, and you must be careful. Always double-check the contracts, do your research, and only use trusted projects. Knowledge and caution are your best friends when navigating this space. Learning about dApps is not just about making money. It's about protecting yourself and understanding a new kind of digital freedom. Imagine losing all your hard-earned cryptocurrency because you clicked the wrong link or trusted the wrong contract. That is why education is everything in this space. The more you know, the safer you are. Here's the shocking part. Some people have made millions just by interacting with dApps. Others have lost it all in seconds. Did you know a single NFT sold for $69 million on a dApp? Some DeFi hacks lost over $1 billion in crypto overnight. The stakes are real, the excitement is real, and the opportunity is real. Imagine being part of this early wave of a digital revolution that changes how money, art, games, and even governance work. Every day, new projects are launching. Every day, new ways to earn, play, and trade are being created. Like, comment, share, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next video where we will show you how to safely earn with dApps and take full advantage of this growing movement. Let's go deeper. Beyond trading, gaming, and NFTs, dApps are creating entirely new economies. DAOs, or Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, let communities make decisions together without a CEO or board controlling the outcome. Voting is transparent. Funds are managed by smart contracts. Every decision is recorded on the blockchain. Imagine your local community, school, or club operating like this. Decisions would be fair, transparent, and unstoppable. This is not science fiction. DAOs exist today, managing millions of dollars and coordinating thousands of people globally. And that is just one example of how dApps are transforming governance. Education is another huge opportunity. Imagine paying for online courses and getting certifications directly on a blockchain. Your achievements are yours forever. Employers, schools, and organizations can verify them instantly. There is no central authority controlling your credentials. Your achievements belong to you. That is the kind of control dApps give people. And it goes beyond money and games. We are talking about identity, privacy, governance, art, education, and even social networks. Every aspect of the internet is being rewritten. To sum up, dApps are reshaping the internet. They give us control, privacy, and new opportunities. You're no longer at the mercy of big corporations. You can interact, earn, and create freely. The internet is changing, and if you want to stay ahead, you need to start exploring dApps today. Like subscribe, comment, share, and check the description for more videos and resources. The future is decentralized, and the time to join it is now. Your data, your money, your freedom, all in your hands. Welcome to the new internet. This is the era where control shifts from corporations to you, and the digital world will never be the same again. The earlier you start, the bigger advantage you have. The internet has been centralized for decades, but now the power is in your hands. Every click, every transaction, every interaction is yours. The revolution is here, and it is unstoppable.